Right now I'm working on my entry for the Tabletop Crafters guild build, and I stumbled on this neat effect which I think works great for surfaces like crystal, ice and marble. Unfortunately it looks way out of place here, so I'll be painting over it. But I really liked it, so I'm going to recreate it to have a record of how I did it. I started off with a blank primed surface. In this case I used black, but grey also works fine. The smoother the surface is, the better the effect will work. To lay down some texture, I dabbed white, grey and black paint on with a piece of torn sponge. Not going for anything in particular here, just fill in the surface with an interesting pattern. If you're going for marble, you could paint some veins and stuff instead. Once that was dry, I grabbed some transparent ink. I'm using Pebeo Cobalt Blue. This video is not sponsored by them and I can prove it. The currency I paid for this bottle has not been legal tender for almost 20 years. I painted the ink all over the surface. Here I use it undiluted, but you might want to add a little water to yours. Make sure to spread it evenly. As it dries it will start to get more transparent and you will get this lovely depth effect. If you want to add some more depth, you can repeat the process once the ink dries. In this step I used only white. I didn't leave this to dry long enough so the ink leached into the white, but that doesn't matter much. You can also stipple in some spots with a brush for more control. For layers after the first, definitely dilute the ink or it will make the lower layers too dark to see. And that's it really. Apart from the drying time, it's a fast simple effect that can be useful for a bunch of weird stuff. Bye!